Turn it around and then push. There's lock, so you need to turn the direction into clockwise to lock the cable. And next, get the power cord. You will connect the power cord to the projector, and this one you to connect it to the outlet. Just slowly push it, and then connect your other end to the outlet. See, there's an orange light. It means it's ready to on. Here, open your netbook, turn it on, and press the power button to your projector. Open the cover and wait for a few minutes to show the image. It is not clear, right? It is blurred. So to adjust the settings to make it clear, you just press this part. And now, since it's clear, as you observe also, it's not fit to the projector screen. It's very small to the projector screen. So you will adjust to wide. Okay. If you want to do opposite one, become smaller, so just click. Of course, we want wide, so if it is not level also to the projector, you will adjust the adjusting level in the back portion of the projector. And if you want to become high also, you can adjust also here in the front part of the projector. You can adjust here like this, higher or lower, depending on the projector screen. And if you want to tell it forward, use this. Click this one. So it's already tilted forward. If you want to tell it backward, just press this one. So when I press forward, tilt forward, to make it more readable and easy to use. It's very wide, so it's smaller. And now, to check if it is working, I'm going to open a file. Go to D, and I will find signal and for planning. Now you can start presenting your lesson. So it means it is working. So that's how to set up Projector. If your projector is not compatible with your computer, just for example, when you connect everything, when you turn it on, you can see the blue screen here. So it means it's not compatible with your netbook. So don't worry, just press Fn on your netbook or computer, Fn, and you will find the empty square on the F functions. In my netbook, the empty square is in F4. Other computer, the empty square is in F1 or F2 or F3. But in my netbook, the empty square is in F4. So just hold Fn and press F4. When you do that, it will flash on the screen the functions and the brand of your netbook. So whatever the functions and the corresponding brand of the netbook, there's an instruction there. Just follow whatever to do and then click it. If the fn and the empty square function is not working, if it's not working, just refer to your projector's manual, what the instruction there, and read carefully what happened. And there is always a solution. And that's it. It's very simple and very easy. Now, we're going to turn off your computer and your projector. Just go to Start button. Oh, just close first. Go to Start button and click Shut down. And wait for a few seconds. And in your projector, you can also see that it's shutting down. So there's a blue screen. It means no signal to display. Now press the question button. But I'm going to turn it off. So just click once, this one, and there's instruction in the screen. Yes is if you want to power off. No if you want other button. So I just press yes. And that's it. I hope you learned something on my demonstration. And if you want to watch more tutorial videos, just visit my site below. Thank you and have a nice day.